Hi, I'm Dagmar from RACT, and today we're talking about the vital topic of home security. In a world where technology makes our lives simpler, setting up a home security system is easier than ever. You'll find a broad spectrum of wireless home security systems across popular stores like Bunnings, Harvey Norman, JB Hi-Fi, and even online. Let me walk you through the straightforward process of how to set up a home security system. Depending on the system you buy, you may need to start fully charging your cameras. We've done this the day before installation, as some systems can take hours to charge. However, after a decent charge, you'll find that some systems will have an impressive battery life. Some can even last months. Next up, for some systems, you'll need to download the relevant app on your device. The apps will allow you to monitor the camera footage, helping you pinpoint the optimal spots to secure the base around your home.
I think that's good.
Beautiful.
Before locking it into position, check the camera's angle on the app to ensure your area is covered. Once you're happy, secure the base. With some systems, you'll be able to customise your notifications via the app. What's more, some units also have a built-in microphone and speaker which you can use to deter intruders in real time. And depending on which system you go with, the data will be backed up to the cloud or the camera's internal storage. Thanks, Alistair, that looks great.
Thank you.
So that's it. We hope this guide helps you to enhance your home security. While it's easy to install, if you're not confident or feel safe to do so, please seek a professional. Until next time, enjoy your extra peace of mind.